was the first one to propose the idea of that let's become parents, and he said that I'm ready to become a father. I showed him the reports and the little kid, and he jumps from the bed onto the floor and he says, "Spartans!" I'm like, "Hey!" The doctor's like, "See there, you have twins." He's like,
दो
हाँ. He's like, "No way." मैंने कहा, "No way क्या है? No way क्या
Really,
है?"
two way. When I got to know there are two girls, I'm like, oh, I gotta brush my skills at martial arts.
In the OT, he's jumping around. I want to cut the cord. I want to cut the cord.
Doctor asked कि आप देख सकते हो ना? मैंने कहा doctor, I can do the operation if you allow me.
That's true.
And I'm like, no. दोनों की पर्सनालिटी में बड़े और छोटे का फर्क दिखता है.
हाँ,
दिखता है.
कैसे?
मतलब one is leader, the other is follower.
Thanks to मम्मी, रूबी's mother, नानी ने सब संभाल लिया, नहीं तो हम तो एक दूसरे के बाल पकड़ लेते. The stress was going so.
Did you go through any of the postpartum complications and how?
Nothing. She was, in fact, I used to tell her, like, be like this. ऐसे क्यों नहीं रहती है तू? क्या मजेदार हो गया?
Idha was the very first name that both of us
Yeah.
loved, liked, and he locked it. He's like, "Idha hai." So my gynecologist, I remember that he मतलब categorically mentioned कि 3 महीने अभी अपनी फैमिली को भी मत बताना, not even your parents. Why? Because उस दिन हमारा 3 वीक्स का वो स्कैन हुआ एंड वी वर रिलीव्ड कि चलो सब अच्छा है, अब हम जाकर घर पर बता पाएंगे. एंड बिफोर वी कुड share, announce that with our friends, that accident happened, and I was like, for the first time I experienced the fear for someone else apart. He did not give up on our marriage, and I clearly remember when I came to him and I said that I think we should head for a divorce. And he comes in the evening, he says, I'm not giving up.
11 साल हो गए हैं बॉम्बे में मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, इंटरव्यूज ले रहा हूँ, बट नेवर, that was the first and the only time that it happened to me. I remember interviewing and calling Rubina for an interview for a channel that I was working at that point, and Rubina had got me a hamper, and for everybody it could be just a hamper, but it made me really really happy because कभी किसी ने किया नहीं. Recently I was on her show and she showed a perspective of me जो शायद दुनिया ने कभी देखा ही नहीं या देखने की कोशिश तक नहीं की. And then there is somebody who has always been the yin to her yang, and honestly सबसे अच्छा और सबसे मतलब एकदम होता है ना प्यारा इंसान is Abhinav, because I feel like you are one of the nicest human beings, even on a show that you both did. I hope and pray that there is a time when people who are as nice and kind are also respected, loved, and applauded on a show like that on a national platform. And today, without further ado, welcoming the two people you guys have been waiting for, because मैंने जब पहला एपिसोड डाला और मैंने पूछा कि किसको देखना चाहते हो, सबने बोला है रुबीना अभिनव. तब मुझे पता था कि हम लोग एपिसोड कर रहे हैं. Thank you for joining us on Myntra Presents Love Unscripted, only on 9 Cents. Shop trendy styles for every occasion, only on Myntra. Thank you so much for being you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से शुक्रिया, बिकॉज बहुत लोग ना, मैंने जब चालू किया कुछ दिन पहले मुझे किसी ने बोला कि अरे थोड़ा सा बढ़ने दो ना, थोड़ा चलने दो. मुझे तब बुरा लगा था एक्चुअली, आई विल नॉट लाई. मैंने लोगों को, मैंने अपने बहन को बोला कि यार ऐसा क्यों हो गया है कि मतलब जब भी मैं कोई शिफ्ट करता हूँ कोई भी कंपनी में, तो ऐसा क्यों होता है कि बार बार मुझे जाके अपने क्रेडिबिलिटी को प्रूव करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. बट यू गाइज हैव like been here on one call, so thank you so much for doing
No, thank you.
Always there for you, Nayan.
I know.
So,
And this is your first interview post having the two lovely additions to the family.
Yep.
So पहले तो जो पहला इंटरव्यू किया था ना हमने और अब में दोनों में क्या बदलाव है? What are the changes you notice in each other?
So I think now
उसमें we were just sitting and chatting, we were enjoying.
and this is
Now we are worried
2.0.
that we have to get back home.
या वापस घर जाना है. That's why we've been constantly nudging you, चलना है, let's do it. But from then till now, we are two different versions of our best selves, and the best is what our daughters have brought out from within us. So I can easily say I'm Rubina 2.0 and he's Abhinav 2.0.
What are the changes that you notice in each other?
In each other?
Yeah.
Well,
अच्छे वाले नहीं
before
होंगे.
nahi. See, I can tell you about both of us. Like before, like the babies, Ira and Jiva came. You know, we felt like we were babies. Like the father would call in the evening, "Beta, haan, kya aaj sab theek raha?" Mummy will speak to her. So, but the moment the kids were born and few months down the line, now suddenly there was a realization, yeah, there are two lives which are totally dependent on us,
Yeah.
and I have to be there 24/7. If not there, I have to be monitoring it. If I cannot monitor it, then somebody should be there to take care of them. So now that thing is, so वो रोल रिवर्सल हो गया है. जो माँ बाप करते थे रोज रात को 10
अब
बजे
खुद
11
करना
बजे
पड़ रहा है.
फोन, अब now we have to do that. And she, मतलब she has been working a lot even
Yeah.
after having
Absolutely.
babies. So she is to doing twice a job what I am doing. Like that's commendable.
And what about you? What are the changes that you notice?
In myself or in him?
Both.
Okay. I've become extremely patient. वैसे भी I used to give a damn if anything used to happen in and around me in a good sense. मतलब I used to not bother myself much, but now it is like it doesn't even
Come to
crosses
you.
my aura, because right now the protectiveness that I have, it's only for my cubs.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
here's the Lion King, always there protecting
Absolutely.
his cubs and his lioness. And the most beautiful, strong, and impactful change that I have seen in him is that he's become a protector for us. And not just with words, I would say, but from the day we've realized that we've become parents to the time that he's held his daughters in his hands, I've seen a completely changed man. And that complete changed man is like 360 degrees. And I tell him, and I tell at many interviews that, he was a good boyfriend, a better husband, but the best father.
That's true.
So that's
And
what
keep
I've
it
seen,
that
the
way.
evolution in him. And he's always there for the daughters, be it the diaper change, to poo cleaning, to giving them milk, to
Burping.
burping, spending
Burping
time
wala
with
time
them.
to gaya.
हाँ, अभी तो
Burping
गया.
wala time gaya,
But
but
yeah.
spending time with them, longing for them. Matlab, he would be on his way taking a flight. He would say, "Oh, I'm already missing my billus." He calls them cats, little feline.
Leopard.
So, yeah.
Wow. But I always knew that he's going to be like, I always see, I have spoken more to you, but I always knew that he's going to be a really protective father.
Yeah.
And honestly, हर कोई जो देख रहा होगा, जो आपको जानता है, वो ये बोलेगा कि I was so happy when I heard that you've got 2 daughters, because today daughters need fathers like you.
Absolutely.
And mothers are always going to be like, that's the idea, right? Like, mothers are generally going to be nurturing, but for a father to be as nurturing as you, that's what daughters deserve today. I feel like we have had that conversation on a global platform
Yeah.
and and I feel so happy. I remember you were in the hospital, okay, and I had messaged him, and that time you had not announced.
Yeah.
So I told him that I know, and I'm very happy for the two of you, and I'll come, and I will. And he's like, yeah, just wait for a few days, let us take them home. And you will not believe, because that's not a moment that usually a journalist, an actor would share, because there will be like a little hesitant ki acha agar by chance and I knew that he trusted me and I trusted him, and I was just so happy. When you got to know the news that you're pregnant, what was the first reaction? Have you when you go back to that day, what are the first thoughts that come to your mind? Whoever wants to go first.
I showed him the reports and the little kid, and he jumps from the bed onto the floor and he says, "Spartans!" I'm like, "Hey?" And he's dancing in the bedroom. Like, ये Spartans क्या था? ये सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये जानना है. I've shared news with him and he is just मतलब वो होता है ना, throwing fist in the air, and मैंने कहा, "Okay, calm down. अब मुझे बताओ." Then I see his face turning red, and then he asks me, "Confirmed है ना?" मैंने कहा, of course, I've got my blood tests. I've run the normal tests,
Pregnancy kit. Yeah.
and yes, it is. And I think that day I so vividly remember because I saw a shift, a visible shift in his demeanor. I saw a visible shift in him as a father. I think that naturally maybe happens,
Yeah.
or some hormones must have secreted where he
it
realized,
does. It does.
I am going to become a father. And trust me, Nayan, touch wood, God's been kind. We've been blessed with grace.
Yeah.
But as you rightly said, that every daughter deserves a father like him.
Absolutely.
And
Yeah, but-
I have missed that father-daughter bond with my
But
own father.
don't get me wrong that I'm a nice guy. You know, I won't be aggressive. If anything comes to my daughters, I can
Oh,
even
he-
kill
Oh,
a
of
person.
course.
I can kill a person.
Yes,
Literally.
yes,
I'm not
yes,
kidding.
Yes, yes.
Of
With my
course.
hands.
Of
So
course.
you should be capable of being dangerous, but you shouldn't be dangerous. So I am capable of being dangerous. So
Yes.
don't think he's a very nice guy. Kuch nahi karega.
But what was the first thing that ran in your head when you got to know that you're gonna become a father?
The first thing was responsibility. Now there is no excuse. There is no. I mean, you cannot reason
Yeah.
why you were not there, because there are two lives which are totally dependent on you. You have brought them here. Now, till the time they reach an age of discretion, आपको उनके साथ रहना है. So I was like, okay, बेटा पिकनिक खत्म. माँ बाप ने जब मतलब ख्याल रखा है, ध्यान रखा है, अब now it has to shift. So again, like I said, role reversal. तो पूरा वो हो गया था. So and yeah, when I got to know there are two girls, I'm like, oh, I gotta brush my skills at martial arts. I gotta be more providing, and I need to set up something more substantial than.
In the OT, he's jumping around. I want to cut the cord. I want to cut the cord. Doctor is like, okay, we'll do it. I want to cut the cord. So the doctor is like, now what do you want? Now what do you want? He's like, daughter. I'm like,
Okay. Oh, can I see it? Can I see the face?
Can I see? And I'm going in and out of anesthesia, and I can see one guy hopping from one side to the other. And our doctor is such a chilled guy. Matlab, of course, one of the best surgeons.
Oh yeah, he
in
was playing
India.
like 1980s के गाने चल रहे थे,
हाँ,
English वाले पुराने.
अंदर
I'm like,
हमारा-
wow.
अंदर party चल रही थी. He's like, what song do you want? Which kind of music you want? I'm like, doc, anything. I'm fine, anything. And I see just one man hopping from here. And then our gynecologist would call and he'd say, come, have a picture from here. Come, have a picture from here. So Idha is taken out, then we have a picture, then Jiva is taken out, then we have a picture, and we have that little riddle.
And I have two cameras in my hand,
Huh,
so मैं एक
this guy is
DSLR
with his DSLR.
सब record कर रहा हूँ.
And I'm like, चलो दो
I
बेटियां.
remember मेरे को
And I go in
doctor
my
asked
anesthesia.
कि आप देख सकते हो ना? मैंने कहा doctor, I can do the operation if you allow me.
That's true.
And I'm like, no, don't give him that. No, don't give him that. फिर मैंने कहा, cord cutting तक is fine, please.
But you know, the moment when you realized, we'll come to, I was thinking of coming to that later, but now that you brought it up, when you realize that it's two daughters, like, what is the time difference between the two?
2 minutes.
Few
minutes,
minutes, yeah.
Yeah, so Ida is the
Ida is the elder one.
elder one.
मतलब
Oh,
technically.
Technically, yeah, because there's a now I
But
know what
But दोनों की
he's.
personality में बड़े और छोटे का फर्क दिखता है.
हाँ,
Yeah.
दिखता है.
कैसे?
मतलब one is leader, the other is follower. One is मैं अपना काम करूंगी. I don't care what the others think. अपना बॉल उठाया, अपनी टॉय उठाया, निकल गए. मेरा बच्चा पीछे छोटा सा वो छोटू बेबी मेरा रो रहा है, मेरे को भी चाहिए, मेरे को भी चाहिए. वो निकल गई अपना काम करते. And this one, if you just politely, just extend a hand, or she'll come and give you a hug. The other one is like, you got one na, चलो आगे चलो. So, बहुत फर्क है. ये तो छोटे-छोटे examples है, but clearly दिखता है कौन बड़ा कौन छोटा है.
Yeah.
But when did you realize that you're having twins?
The first sonography.
The first,
Oh.
इसमें
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
दिख जाता है ना कि
And you should have, मतलब अगर मेरे पास कैमरा होता तो मैं दिखाती इस first time. The doctor is like, see there, you have twins. He's like,
दो
हाँ, he's like, no way. मैंने कहा no way क्या है? No way क्या
Very
है?
two way.
and I think
Two on the way.
yeah, और जब तक हम घर पहुंचे हमने पूरा रास्ता बात ही नहीं की. he was processing twins, I was processing twins. ये कैसा हो गया, ये क्या कमाल हो गया. So
No, so my मतलब भैया के ट्विंस हैं. So एक चीज मेरे को पता थी कि जब वो एक बार इंटरेक्ट करना शुरू करते हैं ना, बोलना शुरू
हाँ.
करते हैं आपस में, उसके बाद इट इज सो रिलीविंग बिकॉज वो आपस में बिजी रहते हैं.
That's true.
So the अकेला बच्चा इज लाइक ही गेट्स बोर्ड अ लॉट.
Yeah.
So I was like, चल, that's a good part. But दो, एंड भैया ने ये भी बोला था मेरे को कि दो दो नहीं होते, दो चार होते हैं. एक एक ही है लेकिन दो चार होते हैं. तो which was like evident thanks to मम्मी, रूबीज मदर, नानी ने सब संभाल लिया. नहीं तो हम तो एक दूसरे के बाल पकड़ लेते. The stress was going so, yeah, the stress was going
2.0,
like,
yeah, part of
yeah.
2.0.
मतलब सो नहीं रहे हैं. Every 15 minutes we are like waking up, and then there's difference of opinion on कि
खिलाना क्या है, कैसे
टेम्परेचर क्या
swaddle
रखना है
करना है,
रूम का.
टेम्परेचर क्या.
इसको गर्मी लग रही है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ठंड है.
आज तक हम आर्ग्यू करते हैं, आज तक कि नहीं उसको गर्मी लग रही है, मैं बोलूँ नहीं उसको ठंड लग रही है. मैं अगर कंबल डालूंगी फिर वो नीचे स्लिप कर देंगे. अगर वो टेम्परेचर मैं टेम्परेचर 25 करूंगी ये 27 कर देंगे. ठंड लग रही है. मैंने कहा अच्छा ओके.
But where does Nani come into play here?
Nani does her
everywhere.
own. Nani does her own thing. She knows what's the best for the daughters. You keep fighting.
हाँ. She's like,
अपना झाड़
मैंने
दो.
3 पाली हैं, मेरे को
हाँ.
मत फंडे देना. I know my job.
But it is so important to have siblings because we come from families where
Yeah.
we've grown up with siblings, right? We were discussing it outside that eventually, when you have a sibling, you know that there is always going to be that one person, that one bouncing board, one person you can go to for advice, to just chill with, to share, and to be understood and to be heard, which is so much more important in today's times.
Mm.
How happy are you guys that, you know, no matter what, your kids will at least have each other to bind to and to hold back on whenever they need?
So Nayan, he was the first one to propose the idea of that let's become parents, and he said that I'm ready to become a father. Though I bought some time, I said I need at least 2 years, let me figure out my stuff and everything. But matlab during that time also we had these conversations where I said that अगर बच्चे करेंगे ना तो मतलब 2 होने ही चाहिए. चाहे अभी और फिर उसके बाद 5 साल के बाद. मतलब I want that sibling वाला वो. बेशक उसके लिए मतलब I may have to go through again the pregnancy journey and everything, but I really want that अगर हमारा एक बच्चा होता है तो उसके लिए भाई या बहन होना बहुत जरूरी है. And that too out of my own personal experience.
Yeah.
जीवन में आप बहुत सारे दोस्त बना लोगे, जीवन में आप बहुत सारे रिश्ते बाहर भी बना लोगे, लेकिन आपका जो रिश्ता आपकी बहन के साथ या आपके भाई के साथ होता है, I think it is irreplaceable. और वो हमें एक एज के बाद समझ में आता है.
That's true.
And hats off to all the parents who thought that it is essential to have another child as well.
Yeah.
क्योंकि आज की होड़ में और आज की डेट में और आज के हम खुद
पहला
वो
बच्चा
कर रहे
होने के बाद people go like नहीं यार,
हम
अब नहीं
भी-
कर पाएंगे दूसरा.
या हम भी
Because
वही
it's-
सोच पाते.
But it is difficult to have kids today, to be very honest. Like the whole mental process, the physical process, and everything. And we always speak about, okay, great. We always speak about the mother going through so much, right? But the father also goes through like a lot of changes mentally, emotionally, right?
Absolutely.
And people don't want to do that on repeat mode. I have noticed that too.
Correct. True.
My sister has a child who's like my own child, and I know that unfortunately because I am the immediate next, मतलब मेरे बाद वही है. और क्या होता है 20 साल का गैप है, पर just because I'm like fun loving with her and all that, I know that she misses a sibling. She never got a sibling, okay? हमारे पास ना हम 3 थे एकदम साथ.
True.
कि कुछ भी हो जाए, and my Masi's daughter is like my own. So we 3 have been together. My brother didn't get married. तो मेरे पापा ने एक दिन इमोशनल होके बोला था बहुत टाइम पहले कि अरे बट ही इज नॉट गेटिंग मैरिड, हमारे जाने के बाद उसका क्या होगा ना. लुक्ड एट हिम, आई एम लाइक बट आई एम देयर, लाइक दीदी इज देयर. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ स्टूपिड कन्वर्सेशन इज दैट. एंड आज के जमाने में भले ही प्यार मतलब रोमांटिक रिश्ते फिर भी खत्म हो जाते हैं, बट ये वाले रिश्ते नहीं खत्म होते हैं. लाइक familial ties are something that are so important. And I was so happy when I heard that you are having twins, to be very honest. But you guys tried to hide it for the longest time. Before the delivery, I had messaged her. I said, Rubina, have you seen your latest vlog? The whole world will know now. And before that, I knew, I heard. And I messaged her, I'm like, congratulations. Same thing, which I did with him, I did to you before the announcement of the pregnancy happened. And you were so sweet, said, I'm so happy, thank you, touch wood. And then I saw this vlog where she's going to US. You were going to the US, right?
I was going to hide him.
Yeah. And it was very visible and everybody started talking about it. What was the thought behind hiding it, and what was the thought when it came out eventually?
We weren't hiding. I
Yeah.
think this is how it should be. You know, I mean, दो individuals आ रहे हैं इस दुनिया में,
Yeah.
and I feel like till the time they reach some age of discretion, they shouldn't be overexposed,
That's true.
because you never know. They grow up and say like, why did you put our life out there? Why did you put everything out there? So I was like, Ruby, what's your opinion? She's like, I agree, and we'll keep it very low key. I'm like, I totally agree with it.
And also, so when we got to know that we were pregnant, so my gynecologist, I remember that, you know, he मतलब categorically mentioned कि 3 महीने अभी अपनी family को भी मत बताना, not even your parents. Why? Because twins में अक्सर ऐसा होता है, one twin survives and the other, and the
Yeah.
complications are a lot given your you know, your work environment, the kind of stress, the kind of environment, or the pollution, this, that, there are a lot of factors that will be deterrent.
Yeah.
So जब तक आप वो पहले 3 महीने वाला फेज क्रॉस नहीं कर लेते, where we are sure that both the, you know, twins will survive, please keep it low key. Great.
You know, generally I am a pessimist. Like if she comes to me, let's do this, I'll be like, नहीं नहीं यार, ऐसे हो जाएगा, वैसे हो जाएगा. I know the data, I know the research. This was one thing from the very first day. I kept telling her, कुछ सब सही होगा यार, सब सही होगा. She'll be like, नहीं, what if that happens? What if that happens? Like before even we were
Yeah.
planning to, you know, so somehow I had this confidence. मैं कहा कुछ नहीं होगा यार, सब होगा, बढ़िया होगा और अच्छा होगा.
Yeah,
और वैसा ही हुआ.
He's always
Yeah.
No,
touch wood,
I was
he
always
always
positive
he
about
was
it.
he was always positive about the whole journey, only in this matter, and I was questioning every now and then. And then I met with that accident, and then तो मतलब उस दिन हमारा 3 weeks का वो स्कैन हुआ, and we were relieved कि चलो सब अच्छा है, अब हम जाकर घर पर बता पाएंगे. And before we could announce that with our friends, that accident happened, and I was like, I'm gonna seal it again. मुझे
What
बताना नहीं.
actually happened?
So we were coming back from the scan, and अभिनव को मैंने घर छोड़ा था और मैं कुछ
She had
सामान
just
लेने जा रही
left
थी.
जहाँ हमारा घर है ना, तो she had
Signal
just left and she entered that link road. So वहाँ पे strangely there is a speed breaker और उसके एकदम आगे there is a traffic light, and our driver was instructed clearly कि जो मर्जी हो जाए कोई नियम नहीं तोड़ना है. So he stopped कायदे से, and he was very slow, like probably 10-20 की speed पे होगा,
सिग्नल बंद हो गया था,
because he had
गाड़ी
just
बिल्कुल
taken a right.
रुक गए थे हम.
Some guy must be on the phone. वो पीछे से आया, and it was a pickup truck था वो, and पीछे से he banged it. And it was a pretty
धड़ाम.
big, like I mean I've seen it.
Bad impact.
मैंने बहुत सारी गाड़ियाँ देखी हैं जिनका एक्सीडेंट हुआ. It was like he must be at 40, 50 something, and he
रुके
was
हुए
planning
signal
to
पे.
jump the signal because वहाँ पे किसी को पड़ी नहीं है, सब निकलते हैं. So he must be like कि होने दो लाल, मैं निकल जाऊँगा, and he might be distracted on the phone, and he just like broadsided us.
And for the first time I experienced the fear
Hmm.
for someone else apart.
Yeah.
And that's the day I realized कि यार ये चीज इतनी अपने तक सीमित होनी चाहिए,
Yeah.
या मुझे रखनी है अपने तक सीमित. मुझे ना दुनिया की अटेंशन चाहिए, ना दुनिया की नजर इस पर चाहिए, क्योंकि पहली बार मैं किसी और के लिए इतनी घबराई हुई थी. And we called up our doc. We were like, so and so has happened, and the very first thing he said, you need to go through a scan. We need to check that everything.
No, he
is
also
fine.
said, don't panic, it's fine, it's very well protected, because I told him the mechanism,
Yeah.
कि कैसे हुआ. Had it been from the front, things could have been different. Because what happens is, जब पीछे से बजती है, तो the body goes like this,
Yeah.
and the back is more protected. But had it been from the front,
You go.
so you go forward.
Yeah.
Either the seat belt is gonna pull on it, or you're gonna bang in the front wali seat.
Yeah.
Things could have been little tricky, but yeah.
But yeah, as I always say, God has been kind.
Absolutely.
Touch
Yeah.
wood, and God has always shown His grace and mercy.
Like we discussed on your show, my mother
Yes.
says that good things happen to good people.
Touch wood,
You will
yes.
not believe, when the first episode was coming out with Ankita and Vicky, I was really stressed. Really, I've had an emotional breakdown the previous night, and I told my mother, why? What if it doesn't work?
Okay.
And my mother has told me, calmed me down and told me, why do you think it's not? And my mother is a Bengali mother. I'm like, kano? Cholbe na kano? Are cholbe, just wait. And then when
How
it's
sweet.
worked out,
Yeah.
the next day morning, she
Yeah.
has, like, not the day I launched it, that
Yeah.
day I was in a messy
Yeah.
situation.
Yeah.
Next day morning, like, kyolo? Theek? Chole se. And like, she's like, why do you stress
Yeah.
so much? And
Yeah.
I am that panic person, you know,
Mm.
anything in the
Mm.
family, because I've seen my father go through so much medically also. Anything that happens remotely close, like if he calls me up and tells me that, oh, aaj maine khana nahi khaya because I'm having a little bit of chest burn because of acidity, I will go full panic mode in Bombay, and I will make sure everybody in Kolkata is alerted, and everybody will be like, ye dena hai, wo dena hai, ye nahi kha rahe, wo nahi khana. And it's a little problematic. I
Yeah.
understand it's very problematic for other people who are dealing with it. But this is a situation where there was panic. So eventually, when did you come and tell your parents, your loved ones, and when did you decide that no, this is the right time to tell them, and how did they react?
His mother jumped and danced. उन्होंने एक पंजाबी गाना गाया, तालियां
हाँ।
बजाई. अब मुझे क्लियरली मुझे वो पिक्चर उनकी याद है. मतलब एक छोटा बच्चा जैसा नाचता है ना, वो वैसे नाचे हैं. तो हमने क्या किया, हमने एक छोटी सी पोटली बनाई, उसमें एक छोटे से बेबी का शू रखा, और शू के अंदर एक और शू रखा. तो ट्विंस तो कोई गैस ही नहीं कर पाया, तो जूता निकाल. अच्छा, हमने क्या किया, हमने ना ऐसे घर वालों के लिए गिफ्ट्स लेकर गए, तो गिफ्ट्स में वो कमोफ्लाज किया, छोटू सा गिफ्ट एक और. तो उनको गिफ्ट दिया, पहले इनके मम्मी पापा को बिठाया, ऐसा गिफ्ट दिया, फिर उन्होंने खोला, फिर देखा, अरे मेरी जुत्ती के अंदर ही किसकी छोटी सी जुत्ती है. वो निकाला. तो अब अभिनव इज शूटिंग, एंड ये पीछे कैमरा से ना ही इज गिगलिंग, एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट हिम, मतलब let them figure out. And she figured out and she started dancing. ऐसे बेड के ऊपर से उठी, उछल रही हैं और नाच रही हैं. और इतना बचपना और मासूमियत के साथ वो नाची है कि मतलब ओह माय गॉड, मतलब मेरा दिल नाच रहा था उनके साथ. एंड माय फादर इन लॉ, ही इज वेरी रिजर्व्ड, बड़े काम
not
कंपोज्ड वाले वो हैं. तो वो खुश, बहुत अच्छे, मतलब उन्होंने आशीर्वाद दिया एंड एवरीथिंग, वो सब हुआ. फिर हमने बोला कि अब हम ना मेरे पेरेंट्स को बताने वाले हैं, तो आप भी प्लीज आओ, लेट्स सी द रिएक्शन. तो मैंने भी मम्मा के लिए कुछ गिफ्ट वगैरह लिया, उसमें डाला था, एंड आई जस्ट शोड देम, एंड वी प्रिटेंडेड के हिज पेरेंट्स हैव जस्ट कम, ऐसा क्रॉस कर रहे थे तो कमरे में आ गए टाइप्स वैसा. तो वो दिखाया, तो मम्मी ने ऐसा खोला और देखा, इसमें क्या है, अच्छा ये है, ये इसमें छोटे छोटे जूते क्यों हैं. My mother-in-law, she started dancing. She's like, yeah, balle, balle, balle. My mother is like, balle, balle, वो क्या हुआ? And my father-in-law is like, रुको ना. अपू कैमरे के पीछे से बोले, अरे मम्मी न्यूज़ पूरी तो पढ़ने दिया करो.
That's my mom.
You're the best.
So
That's my mom too.
Yeah.
तो मेरी मम्मी को समझ में नहीं आया, और मेरी सासू मॉम ने मतलब पूरा बता भी दिया, मेरी माँ को फिर भी समझ में नहीं आया. फिर बाद में you know, it suddenly hit her after maybe like 10-15 seconds, and she's like, oh acha, and then she started crying profusely, maybe because of course every mother can relate to a daughter being a
Yeah.
mother.
Yeah.
So वो रोना was so profuse. I was like, खुशखबरी है, hello, wake up. खुशखबरी है, hello.
खुशी के आंसू.
खुशी के
हाँ.
आंसू. And then I remember breaking the news to my sisters. I mean, मेरी छोटी वाली बहन तो मतलब सिनक के रोई है, like मेरे से छोटा अब कोई आएगा, मैं कब से चाह रही थी आप हमको एक गुड न्यूज दो, कब से चाह रही थी. मेरी बीच वाली बहन like, मेरे को तो पता था, मुझे तो पता, मेरे को तेरे को कैसे पता है, कहते मुझे सब पता होता है. मैंने कहा यार राइट. And
No, but
And-
it's one of the happiest news. And you know, when you talk about parents, I believe you can tell me if you believe in the same. I believe our moms and our fathers were the last of the innocent generation of parents.
of course,
Yeah.
yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
yeah.
They were
Hands down.
untouched by the
Yeah, yeah.
whole technology kind of a
Mm,
fever.
mm, mm.
Their love for us is unconditional. No matter what, Hamari generation, my brother's generation, like a little bit of our generation is still not as unconditional as our moms and dads.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
it's very difficult because I don't know how they did it.
So our mom, dad, like unki age ke log, senior citizens, they had seen the country transition from a war when there
Yeah.
was partition. उसके बाद war हुई. उसके बाद resources were very limited. खाने को
Yeah.
कम था, हर चीज कम थी. गाड़ी हर बंदे के पास नहीं होती थी. उन्होंने वो देखा है और अब उनको टेक्नोलॉजी और गाड़ियां और surplus, everything is there. We can sit and have any coffee
Yeah.
from across the world. Our generation hasn't seen that.
Absolutely.
So हम कम resourceful हैं. Our parents are very resourceful. आज की डेट में भी अगर कोई मतलब हमारी माँ या कोई आती है, हम बोलते हैं यार कुछ बना दो, तो 4 चीजें लेके वो कुछ बहुत बढ़िया बना देंगी. हमको पहले देखना पड़ता है यार, ये इंटरनेट पे 10 चीजें, अरे
That's
मंगवाओ यार उधर उससे
That's true.
ऑनलाइन ऐप से मंगवाओ, फिर
That's
बनाना
true.
शुरू करते हैं. So it is there. We are privileged,
Absolutely.
and our coming generation is even more privileged.
Yeah. हमारे में फिर भी है emotional attachment
Yeah.
towards family. Like we would, like you guys would go to the mountains and spend time with family. You will go to your house and you will spend time with your brother, their kids. I'm the same. I feel, and now I feel even more relaxed क्योंकि अब तो भैया I told the world that I'm unemployed, but self boss. आज
Yeah.
अभी मैं कभी भी घर जाऊँ, कोई किसी को कुछ बोलना जरूरी नहीं है कि 3 दिन की छुट्टी ले रहा हो, 4 दिन में ये काम है, जब चाहो जाओ, जब चाहो रहो. And I feel like the time with family na, after a point you really, because we are all staying away from family, you start craving
Yep.
for that time ki, you get that time with your family and you spend that time. One more thing that I want to ask you, the names that you kept for both the daughters are very like unique. You are already decided ki naam kya hoga? What are the meanings and
She did all
how
the
did you decide?
research.
ऑफ कोर्स हमें प्रेगनेंसी के समय पता चल गया था ट्विंस हैं. हमने आई थिंक 7th month के बाद आई एग्रेसिवली स्टार्टेड लुकिंग फॉर नेम्स. मैंने 4 लड़कियों के नाम और 4 लड़कों के नाम लिख के रखे थे. एंड मतलब आपको पता होता ना कि आपके वैल्यूज अलाइन कहाँ होते हैं. तो मेरे और अभिनव के वैल्यूज स्पेशली इन चीज़ों पे तो मतलब इट्स लाइक नो डिबेट, नो आर्ग्यूमेंट. हिंदी नाम होने चाहिए और संस्कृत बेस होना चाहिए.
Yes.
और ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 syllable, लंबा ना हो, बच्चे को प्रोनाउंस करने में दिक्कत ना हो और लोगों को बिगाड़ने में मजा ना आए. सो वी वर वेरी क्लियर. सो कुछ एक हमारे जो वो थे ना पैरामीटर्स ऑफ फाइंडिंग द नेम्स, वी वर एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर इन ऑन दैट. और जब व्हेन आई गॉट ग्रीन लाइट के ये पैरामीटर्स है, आई एग्रेसिवली स्टार्टेड लुकिंग अप फॉर नेम्स. अब मुझे पर्सनली हमारे शास्त्रों से इंस्पायर्ड या फिर हमारी देवी और देवताओं से इंस्पायर्ड नाम चाहिए थे. और
That was actually me. मैंने क्लियर बोला था, मैंने कहा मेरे को वो हाइब्रिड नाम नहीं चाहिए, आधा टर्किश आधा
See,
you know,
that's what-
हिंदी.
वही मैं बोल रही थी,
मेरे को
हिंदी और
pure
संस्कृत,
शुद्ध
yeah.
संस्कृत,
हाँ.
हिंदी जुड़ा हुआ इस अपने कल्चर से, अपने देश से, वैसा नाम चाहिए. अब इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू वांट टू रिसर्च, बिकॉज़ आई कांट डू ऑल दैट. आई एम लाइक वेरी बैड एट ऑल दैट.
तो मैं नाम
she did a
लिखती थी,
thorough
मैं
research.
10 से 15 नाम लिख कर आती थी. एंड सर आई विल गो थ्रू इट, आई विल रिव्यू इट. और मैं लिटरली मतलब ऐसे मैं लिटरली नयन, मेरे को इतना डर मतलब अपने एग्जाम टाइम पे लगता था अपने स्कूल टीचर के मार्क्स का, जितना मुझे इस समय लगता था कि मतलब कौन सा वाला नाम विल ही रिजेक्ट. आई होप ही डजंट रिजेक्ट द नेम दैट आई रियली रियली लव. सो Idha was the very first name that both of us
Yeah.
loved, liked, and he locked it. He's like, Idha hai. फिर जीवा. हमारा डिबेट था जीवा और सिया.
सिया.
सिया एज इन राम की सिया.
Yeah.
इनकी मम्मा ने कहा कि अब जैसे हमारे मतलब as the epic goes that सीता led a life of loneliness and 14 years she was जैसे उनको वनवास हुआ and everything. तो let's not have that inspiration from there. Jiva is Ma Durga, goddess, lifeline, and the meaning and everything just fit well with it. And I said,
Yeah.
then it is Jiva.
You did a good job.
Good job. Great job.
Superb job.
So yes, Idha is a Sanskrit name जिसका मतलब है prosperity. Jiva means lifeline.
Lifeline.
इधा जो है वो माँ सरस्वती से इंस्पायर्ड है, जीवा जो है वो माँ दुर्गा से इंस्पायर्ड है।
वाह. But post the delivery, a lot of women actually go through postpartum changes, right? And that can take a mental toll on them. Although you bless you that you didn't have any complication during your pregnancy, did you go through any of the postpartum complications and how?
Nothing.
Wow.
She was, in fact, I used to tell her, like, be like this. ऐसे क्यों नहीं रहती है तू? क्या मजेदार हो गया है सब.
नहीं, वो प्रेगनेंसी वाली जर्नी थी.
हाँ,
Once I delivered,
डिलीवरी के बाद
I've gone through a lot of वो, but ये है कि डिग्री उतनी alarmed नहीं थी, and plus
no,
as
she
I
was
mentioned,
superb. She was
as I
superb.
mentioned earlier, and he himself he said that ये journey एक ऐसी है जिसमें he remained optimistic, and right now this whole of thing is coming out of optimism only.
Yeah.
And he has made sure that he gives me positive feedback every now and then, and he's pampered me in my pregnancy. He has been there even in the journey of motherhood. He's made sure that I am heard. He's made sure that he constantly tells me, Rubina, you're doing a good job, as exactly he did 20 seconds ago. And that, Nayan, is very, very, very important. जब एक अच्छा शब्द, एक अच्छा प्रोत्साहन आपके पार्टनर की तरफ से आता है ना,
Absolutely.
वो आपका
बहुत important होता है.
वो आपका गंदा मूड, मतलब
No, but
वो
she was exceptional. Like, मैंने stories सुनी थी. Of course, I'm much more senior than her.
Much
5 साल.
more.
जो भी है.
साल.
Wow, much
साल.
more.
5 multiplied by 365 कितने दिन मैंने इस धरती पे ज्यादा निकाले, उतनी मैंने लोगों से कहानियां
1366 also.
उतनी लोगों से कहानियां सुनी है. And like I've heard stories कि यार मतलब things go so wrong, you know, women go through a lot of change, and I'm not much, I'm a very scientific guy, so manifestation, I don't too much believe in it,
Yeah.
but somehow I think it was manifestation. From the day one I was like सब सही होगा. She's like अगर ऐसा हुआ, मैंने कहा ऐसा नहीं होगा. फिर उसके बाद she's like women go through all that. मैंने कहा तू नहीं, you won't go through that, you'll be exceptional. When she was pregnant, she was mind blowing. Like, मतलब I was having a ball. क्या मजा आया.
because मैं अपनी बॉडी और अपने दिमाग के साथ जूझ रही थी, and I was sitting quiet, and he's like, yes, this is what I like. मैं मतलब जो मैं हाइपर एक्टिव हूँ ना, मैं एकदम सुपर स्लो और ऐसी होगी, मैं कहीं गेज कर रही हूँ, मैं घंटों गेज कर रही हूँ. He's like, this is what I like. I like. Yeah.
So yeah, I think वो manifestation भी है कि you know सब सही होगा तो वो सही ही रहा. You tell a person something is wrong with you, he'll start thinking. है ना? Something can go
Absolutely.
wrong, he'll start thinking.
Even if there's nothing wrong, they'll start
Absolutely,
thinking.
that's how
You
human
know,
mind works.
This is so beautiful that you said it, because so many women out there don't have the privilege, and the reason I'm calling it a privilege is because it is one, to have a person, especially their partner, who are understanding of their needs and understanding of their issues. You know, these might be little issues because the men are not going through it, right? But for a man to understand that these are actually nagging issues that can eventually become very, very big, बहुत important होता है. And because you know, you are very knowledgeable, you have studied, you research a lot, I feel that also comes from, and you're very accepting as an individual. You're आप बहुत मतलब वो accepting kind के हो, जहाँ पे you are a कि हो जाएगा, it will fall in place, right? Were there any difficult moments where you felt, not difficult as in for her, but where you felt like you had to be there, and you know, you had to be there where you also were going through some kind of mental dilemma, but you had to leave all of that and be just there for her?
Can I answer that?
Yeah, go ahead.
From my perspective, as a father, he's made the greatest sacrifice, leaving his life, putting his career on hold, and spending time at the farmhouse in my village, in my setup, just for his daughters.
Yeah.
And it takes a hell lot of acceptance as a male.
Absolutely.
You have to keep your male ego aside,
Absolutely.
which I profoundly respect in this man, because अपना male ego side में रखकर मेरे और अपनी बेटियों के लिए इन्होंने सब कुछ sacrifice किया है. अपना समय, अपना टाइम, अपना जिम का टाइम, अपना करियर परसुएशन, अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए भी शायद ये उन समय में, मतलब yes, he has taken care there also, but he's been so available for his daughters, knowing कि वो जगह, ये समय, ये परवरिश, ऐसी परवरिश अभी हमारी बेटियों के लिए जरूरी है. And I'll let that ego be aside. And this man has done outstanding job as a father.
And to
Or
be
hats
honest,
off.
that comes from my father.
Hats off.
He's like this.
Absolutely.
He's a guy who makes a right decision. He's always sacrificing his time, energy, money for us. And he's always there. And he doesn't want to be loud about it. I'm a little loud. I keep telling her, मैंने वो किया था, चल अब तू कर. My father has never till date said कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए ये किया है. Either to my mother or to anyone.
They're very sacrificing, like I said. Like,
Absolutely.
वो generation
मैं
ही अलग
बताती
था.
हूँ यार, मैं बार बार आई थैंक माई स्टार्स. कोई और होता तो ये बताता, तुम अपने ससुराल नहीं हो ना, अपने मायके में हो ना, तुम्हें यहाँ होना चाहिए, पर मैं यहाँ ये कर रहा हूँ. मैं बताऊँ, आई थिंक his contribution even in my that postpartum phase has been the greatest, because he never told me कि you know you have to be there in Ludhiana.
Yeah.
परिवार वाले क्या बोलेंगे, रिश्तेदार क्या बोलेंगे, and he never forced to that matter. Touch wood.
Even your in-laws.
Even my in-laws, मैं वही बोलने वाली थी. Even my in-laws बोला, बेटा तुम्हें कहाँ सुविधा है, कहाँ तुम्हें ठीक लगता है, that should be your place, and we are there. हम इन लोगों को, इन रिश्तेदारों को सब संभाल लेंगे. मतलब बेटियां होने के बाद आई थिंक अक्टूबर में हम गए, 1 साल के बाद, जब बच्चों का सबसे पहला और बड़ा फंक्शन लुधियाना में हमने किया. दे हैव बीन सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड सो अकोमोडेटिंग. उनको पता है कि अभी एक माँ को अपनी माँ की जरूरत है, क्योंकि वो दैट इज द होल सेटअप दैट आई विल नीड टू रिकवर मेंटली, फिजिकली एंड इमोशनली.
एक्चुअली नानी नहीं इनकी सारा मोर्चा संभाला हुआ है.
Yeah.
She has been the biggest like pillar of what you say on which we are giving this interview right now, because she's there.
Absolutely. She had told me
नहीं तो
this.
chance ही नहीं है.
No, I believe that because
And
my
from
mother.
day one, and like the
Yeah.
day the kids were born till date, matlab, I have never seen something like this before, because I was too young when I was when I was a baby. My mother might have done
Yeah.
it, but doing it for grandchildren, it's like even 2 times. जो हमारे लिए किया ना, उसका दुगना हो
बट
जाता
आपकी
है.
मम्मी बोलती हैं कि आपकी नानी ने,
मेरी नानी ने भी बहुत किया
आपकी
था
नानी
यार.
ने आपके लिए बहुत किया है.
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक दैट इज वेयर द हार्ट ऑफ letting her bahu also be with her mother comes
Yeah.
from my mother-in-law.
Yeah.
क्योंकि my mother-in-law was a working woman.
Absolutely.
और वो स्कूल जाती थी, तो अब you know अभिनव को
She was
वो
working
नानी
till
के
the
पास
last day.
Yeah.
या
The day she
अभिनव को
delivered me, she was working.
नानी के पास छोड़कर जाती थी. तो वो बोलती है, मैं जानती हूँ कि माँ की अहमियत क्या है और माँ कितनी जरूरी है.
That's true.
तो नैन, आज के समय में ना, अगर एक औरत को ऐसा परिवार और समझने वाले सिर्फ उनके सास ससुर और एक पति मिल जाए ना, तो आई एम टेलिंग यू, जो कहते हैं ना कि बच्चा होने के बाद डिवोर्स रेट बढ़ जाता है, आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल ऑफ दिस विल कम टू so much of understanding, will
Yeah.
come to a healthy family relationship.
Absolutely.
और बच्चे के लिए, बच्चे की परवरिश के लिए, और ये मैं खुद अपने एक्सपीरियंस से कहती हूँ, और मैं बार बार इस बात को, मतलब ऐसे मैं तो स्टैम्प करके मैं ये बात बताऊंगी कि पति पत्नी का रिश्ता जो है ना, वो बच्चे की साइकोलॉजी पर सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट करता है. तो
बिल्कुल.
जैसा परिवार आप बना रहे हो, एंड बोथ ऑफ अस वी आर ऑलवेज माइंडफुल अबाउट इट,
Yeah.
कि हम जैसा परिवार, जैसी कॉन्वर्सेशन, जैसा माहौल बना रहे हैं ना, दैट इज अफेक्टिंग आवर डॉटर्स साइकोलॉजी.
Yeah.
That will affect the choice they will make while selecting their partners,
Yeah.
even
Yeah.
their career,
Yes.
even their mental and emotional well-being.
Yeah.
So do we want to raise kids who are emotionally strong, mentally secure, or we just want to see कि तुम्हारा काम बनता, मेरा काम बनता, मैं चली तुम चले, माँ बाप क्या कहते हैं हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये. So this is the beauty of Indian family systems.
Absolutely.
But उस Indian family system में पति पत्नी का आपस में जो रिश्ता है, वो बच्चों के लाइफ में सबसे ज्यादा
And
और
also,
सबसे बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है.
मैं इसमें कुछ ऐड करता हूँ. It can become very controversial, but when I decided that I'm going to get married, मुझे ये क्लैरिटी मतलब चाहिए थी पहले कि am I ready? If I'm ready, I'll be marrying someone who comes from different, maybe different cultural background, different
Yeah.
state. It could be someone, right? जब मैं शादी करूंगा, if my parents still have a lot of influence on me, it's gonna things are gonna not
Clash.
go well.
Yeah.
So I personally said, I'm going to be a man now. If my parents say यार ये करो, तुम्हें दोनों को करना चाहिए ऐसे, I am capable of saying no. And मैं कोरा बोल देता हूँ माँ बाप को, नहीं ये नहीं करना है. And I wanted the same from my partner. हमारी फैमिलीज में जनरली इंडियन सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम तब शुरू होती है व्हेन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मेडलिंग बाय द पेरेंट्स कि यार ऐसा करो, हमारा बिलीफ ये है, एंड
The belief systems clash.
शुरू में बंदा करता है एंड देन दे गो लाइक क्या यार. So I was very clear. Now I'm married to her. This is my family. Now Ida Jiva, this woman is what matters to me the most.
Yeah.
Yes, माँ बाप रहेंगे हमेशा, you know what you say, like the favorites. But now if I listen, if I do everything they say, this is gonna get ruined.
Yeah.
So I was very clear यार कि जब एक पहली बात तो जब शादी करनी है तब क्लैरिटी चाहिए, जब बच्चे करने हैं तब क्लैरिटी चाहिए, और उसके बाद देयर इज नो बैक एंड फोर्थ. बड़ा वो रखना पड़ेगा फोकस एंड यू नो व्हाट यू से, यू नो, स्ट्रेंथ. सो आई हैव डन दैट.
I will tell you this. There was an incident. तो मेरी भांजी तब 7 साल की थी, and उसके जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे, जो मेरी दीदी के भी, मतलब they were neighbors also, they were in the same school. So her best friend's parents were getting separated. Okay, for the first time उसने divorce शब्द सुना, and the next time my didi and my jijaji have had a normal minor argument, a 7-year-old has come and looked at them like, তোমরা দুজন divorce নেবে নাকি? This is, and she's like, I want to take divorce. And that day I had told, my mother of course spoke, but me, my brother, we looked at my sister and said that, you know, even the minor fights can't happen in front of
Correct.
her.
True.
Because understand that she doesn't understand. She knows divorce is a very bad thing, and she knows that the divorce is going to affect the child, because she can understand. See, even when the mother and the father are having a divorce and separation, the child is going through so much. They don't have so many people to share it with. They might be sharing it with her. Otherwise, how is she knowing कि क्या हो सकता है, क्यों बुरा लग सकता है? Why is it a negative term for her? So this is one thing, you know, and my mother was very clear that no, you can't. You know, we also come from that kind of a background where we are like, and my mother has done the most for my niece. I have never, same. I have been, and they are the nicest to the grandkids. They spoil them silly.
Yeah.
All the rules that were there for us,
उनके लिए तो है ही नहीं है.
vanish हो गए हैं सब. वो पढ़ाई करे ना करे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
अभी खेलो, अभी तो नानी खुद खेलने जाती है 2 घंटे सुबह 2 घंटे शाम को. अभी भी मैं फोन पर यही कोऑर्डिनेट कर रही हूँ. नो आई एम टेकिंग देम टू द पार्क. मैंने कहा लेकर जाओ, मैं खुद जाऊंगी. अच्छा लेकर जाओ, मैं साइकिल भी लेकर जा रही हूँ. हाँ लेकर जाओ. यस नैन, सी, खुदा ना खास्ता लोगों के जीवन में ये जब यू नो एक मोड़ आता है वेयर पीपल वांट टू सेपरेट देयर वेज एंड एवरीथिंग नहीं चलता है, मतलब जोड़ी नहीं बनी होती है या कंपैटिबिलिटी नहीं है, जो भी है. बट एज ही सेड, क्लैरिटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट. आप शादी कर रहे हो, यू हैव टू बी क्लियर एंड देन फर्म ऑन योर ओन थॉट कि भैया शादी करनी है तो निभानी पड़ेगी.
Absolutely.
बच्चे पैदा किए हैं, अब उनका भविष्य खराब नहीं करना है. अब जो भी इश्यूज और जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, कम्युनिकेट. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि खराब मैरिज के साथ रहो क्योंकि डिवोर्स नहीं दिखाना है बच्चों को, बट खराब मैरिज भी तो नहीं दिखा सकते. यू कांट सेट अप रॉन्ग एग्जांपल्स. You can't set up a toxic relationship for your kids. You can't be disrespecting your wife. You can't be disrespecting your husband in front of your kids.
Absolutely.
You can't be hiding things and you know going in the क्या बोलते हैं bedroom, slamming doors and doing this. बच्चे सब समझते हैं. तो उसमें क्या करना है? उसमें you will have to have the most uncomfortable conversations so that you can work it out beautifully for your kids.
That's true.
What we can give today. I mean, यार बच्चे बड़े होकर कमा भी लेंगे. मतलब Aza's going to be like the smartest kids. It's a smartest generation. हमने अपने लिए बहुत ही छोटी उम्रों में कमाना शुरू कर दिया. हमने अपनी लाइफ में स्टेबिलिटी लानी शुरू कर दी. सब हम उतने सक्षम है और हमें पता है हमारे बच्चे भी सक्षम है. हम क्या दे सकते हैं एज पेरेंट्स?
Stability.
Yes, we can give
Emotional
them
stability.
we can give them a house which is filled with love, understanding and
Yeah.
respect.
Yeah. जाते जाते, before I move on to the segment, I have to ask you this. Last time we spoke, you had told me कि बहुत बड़ा आप लोगों का ड्रीमी प्रपोजल का प्लानिंग था, जो प्रपोजल हुआ नहीं है. अभी तो 2 बच्चे भी आ गए. प्रपोजल कब होने वाला है ये मैं जानना चाहता हूँ.
अभी actually
Let
वक्त
the
आ
man
गया
talk.
है. वक्त आ गया है because Ida Jiva can walk, so I want them to be around in like, you know, fancy costume.
And renew your vows.
Yeah.
Is there a plan to do that?
I think it's a good idea.
I one of the best gifts that he's given me is writing down the vows, and I think मतलब on and off we keep reminding each other of the vows that we have written for each other.
Yeah.
जब भी कभी disagreement या झगड़ा हो, याद है ना? Okay, चलो.
No, but whenever you plan it, please let me know. I would
Yep.
I would love to organize it from either side.
Okay.
I am very good at organizing, trust me.
अभी
चलो,
अभी
done,
तो
I'll
single
take-
function from both the sides ही होगा ना.
हाँ.
It's just that मतलब I'll be walking down the aisle from a different corner maybe, ऐसा कुछ.
चलेगा. With both the, like, you can take one, you can take one, or you can take both the kids at this
Yeah.
point.
Let them decide.
Yeah.
Let them
But is there a favorite? Not your side say, their side say.
Mm.
Is there a papa's girl and a mama's girl?
Both are papa's girl, both are daddy's princess, and I love that.
Absolutely.
I love it. लोग तो मुझे बोलते हैं ना जब कि यार इनकी ना मतलब नैन नक्श ऑलमोस्ट अभिनव की तरह है, तो मैंने कहा बहुत
तब मैं
अच्छी
अपने
बात
नाक
है,
को छूता हूँ इतना मोटा
इतना
नाक
सुंदर नाक. मैंने कहा बहुत अच्छी बात है, because this is the face that I fell in love with. मैंने कहा why would I feel bad or sad about it कि एक बेटी मेरी तरह क्यों नहीं दिखती. So I said I love this fact. And I keep reminding myself whenever I become a little, I take our thing for granted. Sometimes I just wake up and I'm like, no, Rubina, this is the guy that you fell in love with. These are the weird things that you fell in love with this guy. And all the weird things that I see in my daughters now are so unique, so beautiful, and so
like what is like you?
weird. अच्छा मैं बताती हूँ. He'll have a mosquito bite. He'll keep scratching that mosquito bite till it bleeds. Jiva is the same. She scratches it, and then when the blood oozes out, मैंने कहा, where did
I used to do it as a kid. I used to do it.
सोचो वो 14 महीने की है, and she's literally doing this.
मेरे कहीं पिंपल होता था ना या किसी के, so I go like यार इसको let's puncture
अरे
it,
मेरे चेहरे पे
let's
अगर कभी कोई
pitch
पिंपल, अरे पिच को मैं don't come and touch my skin please. I let the pimple die its own death. Don't please.
like I've literally done an incision. I had a pimple, तो मैंने वो अपना वो लेके क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
Micro needle.
needle. I've literally punctured and like taken out everything.
Yeah.
So
जीवा भी अपन
so-
मतलब पूरा
so जीवा उस दिन क्या हुआ, मतलब उस दिन ही परसों की
अभी
बात है.
3-4 दिन पहले की
So I
बात
had
है.
this small mole here. So Jiva looks like at that, and she goes like, "मैं कहा, Billu, what are you doing?" Then what she does, she holds my finger.
She says, खुद ही निकाल लो, खुद ही निकाल लो.
Fab.
And I think with Idha, she will not let anyone,
Yeah.
और मतलब किसी को नहीं, उसको अपना अगर ये यहाँ से चम्मच उठाना है, आपके हाथ से छीनना है, कुछ भी करना है, she'll take it, she'll walk away. वो ना रिएक्शन देती है, ना वो किसी को ग्रेस देती है, ना वो किसी को टाइम
नहीं.
देती है. मेरा है ना, मैं निकल गई. So I think that's me.
That is you.
That is
Yeah.
me.
That's her.
But jate before we move on to the segment, today there is so many priceless moments that you guys have spent together over the last few years, right? Your relationship has also seen the ups and downs, which you have discussed
Absolutely.
on national platform.
Yep.
Absolutely.
But you never gave up. रिश्ते वही होते हैं जहाँ पे कोशिश करनी होती है. कोशिश आपने कोशिश की और आज देखिए, मतलब when you look back at those days and look at times today, what do you want to say to yourself back then, when maybe times were a little difficult but you just sailed through?
I would like to say to him that he did not give up on our marriage. And I clearly remember when I came to him and I said that I think we should head for a divorce.
Mhm.
And he comes in the evening, he says, I'm not giving up. Period.
Yep.
And same with parenthood also. He was the one, he said that I think I'm ready to become a father. मतलब मेरे पैरों तले जमीन निकल गई थी, क्योंकि this guy, when I knew in our dating period, he had commitment issues. He would not.
I was like that alpha male, roaming
He would
around
not
here
show
and there, raging bull types.
He would not. अच्छा, मैं तुमको नैन एक मतलब drastic change बताती हूँ. जब मैं बोलती हूँ ना that this guy has evolved over a period of time. He's given me time of dinner. मैंने dinner cook करके रखा है 9 बजे. He's given me a time. He reaches around 2 in the morning. पार्टी करके. He's not responding to the calls and all. Anything. आज सुबह की बात बताती हूँ. One of our nannies wasn't well. मम्मी ने सिर्फ ये कहा कि मुझे सिर्फ आना है ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए can you be there by 9:30? तो बच्चों को आधा पौना घंटा
No, 9:20
one-
पे पहुंच गया था.
this guy 9:20 with the daughters. Hello. So it is matlab the only girls that he goes beyond his own self, and I feel proud of that, is his daughters, and he does that बिना किसी शिकन के.
That's true.
Of course, I mean that's how it's meant to be. I mean I'm no different. I'm sure a lot of fathers जो बेचारे unsung heroes हैं, they do the same. I was watching this one random ये आते रहते हैं ना Instagram पे. So there was this one girl who was saying like the missing father syndrome. The father is never there. So that, you know, I kept thinking about it, and then I thought, yes, there are a lot of fathers who don't have the privilege to be at home because they are the bread earners.
Yeah.
A lot of people who are in army, people who are in like Navy, Army, Air Force,
Absolutely.
paramilitary, CRPF, ITBP, when they go, you know, they return after like maybe 5 months. They are missing, but they are doing it for the family back
Absolutely.
home. Because the moment they get an off, they don't go in a club and say कि यार चल आज पीते हैं. The moment they get an off, they come home. So
No, I'll just add one thing here. I think that missing father syndrome जहाँ से आया है वो ये है कि आप होकर भी नहीं हो.
हाँ, वो भी
आप-
है.
आप-
बहुत
आप
बड़ा.
what she was
present
saying
नहीं हो.
that कि
आप present
नहीं,
नहीं
what
हो.
she was saying कि
Because
like I know a lot of fathers who have never said I love you. My father has never told me I love you. He's done, matlab the actions are like way
Yeah.
bigger than I love you. I love
Yeah.
you means nothing in front of his actions. So
Our parents were not those people. I don't think my father has told my mother also I love
हाँ,
her.
yeah.
Forget us.
because their
Exactly.
actions were everything, as he rightly said.
Absolutely.
But I also believe that क्योंकि times have changed. If
yeah,
today he says I love you to the kids maybe 10 times in a day, मुझे 10 बार बोला होगा पिछले मतलब 2 सालों में, वो भी मैं I love you, I love you, कोई जवाब नहीं आता. यहाँ 10 बार ऐसे मतलब बिछ जाते हैं I love you. But I think that's what maybe what he's referring to is also because हमारी generation में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग भी हैं who are not available.
Yeah.
Available in the sense emotionally available. आपने बच्चे पैदा तो कर दिए, but for the sake of family or maybe the sake of
Yeah.
हाँ अब शादी हो गई, बच्चे तो करने ही हैं. अच्छा बच्चे कर दिए तो चल ठीक है ना यार, आज मेरी पार्टी जरूरी है, आज लोगों से मिलना जरूरी है, मेरे को अभी वीक ऑफ मिला है, कौन घर पे बैठे, कौन बीड़ी किट किट सुने, इससे अच्छा तो बाहर ही चला जाता हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ, 2-3 ड्रिंक्स मार लेता हूँ फिर आता हूँ. है ऐसे लोग हैं और मेरे क्लोज सर्कल में भी है जो मैं देखती हूँ. एंड आई सी इवन
Same.
हाउ इवन देयर किड्स आर being raised, and I see the difference also.
Absolutely. There'll be a
और-
huge difference.
हाँ, और नैन मुझे and I keep sharing my fear with him, and I always tell him that चलो लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो करने दो, जैसा कर रहे हैं वो करने दो, हमें अपने लिए अपनी फैमिली के खुद बाउंड्रीज और वैल्यूज और एथिक्स बनाने होंगे.
That's true.
That family is me and him, our 2 daughters, because इनकी फैमिली ऑफ कोर्स ब्लड लाइन अलग, हमारा फैमिली हमारा ब्लड लाइन अलग, एवरीथिंग. हमारे माँ बाप ने अपना बेस्ट दिया है. अब ये परिवार है जो हमने खुद चूज किया है.
I
So we have
remember
to
this.
make all the
I
choices.
remember this. कौन सा था फंक्शन लोहड़ी का. So Lodi is big in Punjab.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
And my
absolutely.
mom, dad. So दो चीजें, एक दिवाली और एक लोहड़ी. It is like every year I was there at home. So they call me कि तू आ सकता है. So I remember telling my father, मैंने कहा the priorities have just changed. So, but yeah, I made sure I went. But yeah, I mean now पहले ऐसा मतलब सोचना भी नहीं पड़ता था कि जाना है कि नहीं जाना है.
हाँ.
It's like तू आ रहा है ना, हाँ कैसे आ रहा है, अच्छा हाँ मैं उस दिन पहुंच जाऊंगा. But now I was like, I remember the very funny that I told my father like priorities have just changed. Now it's Ida Jiva. So everything will, revolve around that.
Yeah. And they will never mind because
Of
that's
course
how
not.
that's
Of
how
course
life
not.
is. And
They'll
they
be
would
in fact
also
happy.
want,
They'll be happy that ठीक है बंदा थोड़ा responsible हो गया.
Absolutely. But that's the beauty of relationships today, and
Yeah.
that's the beauty of your relationship. Because see, I've also known you guys for 4 years now, okay? And in 4 years, I've also seen that there is a different version and a much better. There was never a bad version of both of you that I have seen. I have supported you guys whole and through Big Boss because I loved both of you as individuals, as human beings, and I always say this and I'll always say it out aloud. एंड अब तो मेरा शो है भैया, बायस तो हम
अब तो मैं-
होंगे
अब तो मैं
उसमें
कुछ
क्या,
भी बोलूं।
अब तो मैं कुछ भी बोलूं, क्या है, जर्नलिज्म जा चुका है.
जा चुका है.
But genuinely, I feel like you guys are amazing individuals, and I know that your kids are going to grow up to be as amazing and as accepting individuals. So वो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And thank you for giving them that safe space. You continue giving them that safe space, and trust me, they'll know that their mom and dad are the most important people to them, and of course their
Thank
sibling.
you.
That's the most important thing.
Yes, thank you, Nan. Thank you for giving us this time that we could sit uninterrupted, without phones, without crying, or somebody's wanting to, divide our attention, because we really struggle to find that time for us.
Yeah, but I'm missing them now. So
Let's go.
ये होता है.
अभी अभी
ये होता है.
अभी मैं यहाँ पर मांग रही हूँ कि please give me attention, give me time, give me time. Now he says I'm missing them. But that's the beauty about being parents. That it's challenging, but yes, it's rewarding.
I want to tell you this, that I just went on a show, and the episode came out. By the time the episode came out, I had already decided in my head that I'm going to start my own. जब मैंने शो किया था उतना मेरे दिमाग में नहीं था. It was always a plan that I had, that I will do, and I used to keep tallowing it, because financial security is something that everybody craves for, right? And it's a very big step for anybody. So after the show's response, the kind of response that I got from your show also encouraged me to do something of my own. And genuinely, I want to tell people that लोग बोलते हैं कि रिश्ते की वैल्यू कम होती जा रही है. मेरा पूरा करियर रिश्तों के आधार पे ही और बलबूते पे ही बना है. And I'm so happy that everybody who I have known,
amazing.
who I have loved, and who loved me as one of their own, are coming on the show, and it had to be both of you. And I'm so happy that you took out your time from your kids to come and do this for me and for my channel, because genuinely I'll hold this very, very, very close to my heart, and the pleasure has always and always
Actually,
been ours.
there's a very good takeaway from this कि तुम्हारा जो करियर है वो रिश्तों पे बना है. And मतलब juxtaposition, when I was young, I was of the opinion like, मतलब इतना अहमियत नहीं थी relationships की, इतनी importance नहीं थी. Life was all about logic, learning more, being aggressive. But now I'm 41. 41 है ना? 41 हूँ ना? So now I'm 41. And I've realized,
+2.
and I've realized that the world doesn't run on logic. The world actually runs on emotion.
Emotion.
Absolutely.
The elections are won because of emotion. The सरकारें emotion से बनती हैं. सारे decision हम जो लेते हैं वो
परिवार
emotional
emotion
हैं.
से बनता है.
हर
Absolutely.
चीज. So logic is a very small part, but for me, in my younger days, it was the biggest part. So very good takeaway from you that you've made your career because of good relations. That's what is important. And Abhi, I told her this. I was in US. I was in Malibu, and I went to the temple there. So one family recognized me, and the woman came in. Can I have a picture with you? So the guy was taking a picture. Her husband. He was like. She was like, Big Boss. He's like, yeah, the logic guy. I'm like, yeah, exactly, the logic guy. And then he starts walking out, and then he goes like, you should have been the winner. I'm like, logic never wins. I was thinking he might not get the joke and the reality of it, and he got it, and he goes like, yeah, you're right. So something might have like flashed in his, from his experience. So yeah, concluding it with the good takeaway.
Absolutely. And
Everything
as your mother
is-
says, अच्छे लोगों के साथ हमेशा अच्छा ही होता है.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Absolutely.
doing this. Genuinely.
Yes. No. We loved doing it, and when I asked him, he did not give it a second thought. He said,
I know that.
Yeah.
See, I do get calls for podcasts and all.
And he
उतनी
clearly
नहीं-
says,
उतनी
कि मुझसे
नहीं,
बात नहीं होती है.
जितनी बिग बॉस के बाद थी, उस मतलब बिग बॉस का अगले 2-3 महीने I was like super वो. I was getting bombarded with calls. They don't call anymore because अभी engagement कम होगी, reach कम होगी मेरी.
अच्छा ये भी है.
But of course, the
Yeah,
world
yeah.
runs on this like brutal
Yeah, of
principle.
course,
अरे
yeah.
यार उसकी अभी तो चल नहीं रहा है, छोड़
आप
अभी
देखो
काम
ना
नहीं
बिग
कर रहा
बॉस
है.
के बाद सडनली गाने
लेकिन-
किनके आते हैं.
लेकिन you, when she said he's calling both of us, I'm like, we'll go because you're one of them, like you said. कि आपने रिश्तों पे अपना करियर बनाया है because you remembered, like अभी, you could have conveniently just called her that Rubina, come on my show, then just she's got the reach, she's got the views. So yeah.
No, for me, both of you are important. Like I said, that I know, I'll tell you something. I told this to Ankita. So Ankita is somebody who is like my Rakhi sister. So it's so important that when you look at, like, I look at Rubina also like a sister. I'm from a very brotherly perspective. I always looked at her. So it's very important that you feel that your sister is with somebody who you firstly connect with and who really cares for her. And you've been that one person. Even when we speak so much about you. Whenever there's a post that she must have posted with the kids, or there's a video, the first thing that I think of is telling her that, like we discussed, that it's a privilege to have a husband, have a partner, have a son, have a friend, and a father like you, because not many men behave the way you do. So if people
all
have
that
not called you,
perfect.
it's their loss. I am happy that I did this, and I will always be there for both of you and your families, and be extremely protective. When I am going to be 55 and they are gonna be 25, I am gonna be there. I'm gonna say hello, haath laga ke dikhao, hum hai na. So I am that person. So I'll definitely, and I know both of you are
Means a
also the
lot.
same, because
Yeah.
relationships also matter to you guys. And thank you for doing this.
Thank you, Nayan. Wonderful, lovely conversation.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you.
Jai
God
Hind.
bless you. Hi, I'm Rubina Dalek, and this is the most beautiful human being on the earth, my husband Abhinav Shukla. That is Nayan, and you're watching us on Nayan Sense.
Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe.
Share, like, and do whatever you want. Just follow his channel.
Shop 20 styles for every occasion, only on Myntra. Also, by the way, if you love what I'm wearing right now, you can shop this look only from Myntra.